In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add a music track or an audio track in CapCut desktop version completely for free in less than 1 minute. Okay, so once you have your video layer or track that does not have audio and you want to add audio onto it, go to your project bin and find the piece that has audio. In this case, it's another video track. Click the video track, right click, and then click extract audio. As you can see, the audio is now underneath our video and in the video where we extracted the audio. Delete the video by clicking backspace. And now if you go to the beginning of the video, you can see and hear that we have audio on our video track. Thanks for watching. Comment down below, drop this video a like, share the video, and subscribe to the channel.